going to be doing a springtime makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful eyes right here, okay? Okay, I'm just kidding with y'all. But for real, we did come and do a springtime look, and I hope you guys are excited because I am. And I know I've been slacking with the videos and stuff, so you guys have to get on me about that because I just been all over the place with school and everything and just trying to gather myself. No more excuses. We have to get these videos out, okay, for my subscribers. I really love you all 107 of you. Thank you so much for sticking along with me. And I don't want to talk too much. I want to get into this makeup. I know you want to get into this makeup, so that's what we're going to do today. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Really loving how this came out. Brow and everything. Move around for you so you guys can see it. But that's basically the eye makeup we're going to do for this eye. So I hope you guys are ready for this, okay? So I used the Jacyln Morphe palette for this. Okay, so I'm going to add some more base because I can see my eyelid is starting to crease. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer once again, and then I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending brush. I really like this brush. It blends to the gods. For your eyelids and for under your eye, I really love this. So I usually don't apply concealer with this brush, but I am right now because I don't feel like running back and forth. So and yeah, I do have eyelash extensions on right now. I really don't care about getting them like colored or, you know, getting makeup products on it or anything because I'm gonna dust it off anyway. Or I really don't mind it because I mean, what can I do? So now that we're all blended again, now we can start with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take that color Jada. And we're going to take my Morphe M430 brush and I'm going to pop that in my crease. So, and I like to gently tap the color on first into the crease and then start blending out. And my lids are pretty hooded, which is why I have a problem with creasing sometimes. And I just try to make sure I go over it and to make sure that it's perfect so I don't have eyeshadow falling off of my lid. But yeah, we're just gonna go back and forth in a tapping and swift motion. And I like to go around the edges too to make sure we get those harsh lines blended out. Okay, so as you can see, I blended this out to my liking. We didn't go all the way up to the brow bone today. I know some of the girls on the internet love bringing their eyeshadow to their brow bone, and that's not the look we're going for today. I really love this. Okay. Because I'm on limited time right now, so I really wanted to show you guys this before I went to school today. So let's get into it. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer once again to cut my crease. As you can see how my crease is cut, so we're going to do that to the same side. I got my Class of Beauty 220 flat brush that I used to cut my crease with, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So we're just going to take some of that and cut the crease, girl. I love cut creases. I know I probably do a lot of cut creases on this channel. Please forgive me if you guys want to see any other eyeshadow style, I guess. Let me know, because I kind of do the same cut creases. I guess I can do that in the next video. So we're going to take it and then we're going to cut the crease.
Welcome back, everyone. Hoping you're managing to stay cool on such a hot afternoon. We are currently at 95 degrees.
We're gonna be using the Myo Makeup pigments. I love them. I've had them for a while now, and we're gonna be using the orange and what did I use? The pink. So we're gonna start off with the orange. And this is what it looks like. Very cute. And then I'm gonna take, I think this is a Wet n Wild flat brush, eyeshadow brush that I'm just gonna use. It's real dense, so I like it because it takes the pigment. And we're gonna start in our crease. We have the orange down, and it looks pretty good from what I can see. I got enough on there, probably will crease up because I forgot to pat in the concealer with my blending brush, like I mentioned to you guys. But usually I would do that, so don't forget to like pat it in if you have hooded lids, because our lids crease very hard. So now we're gonna use the pink, which is really cute. I love this pink. And we're gonna take, I think this is like a BH Cosmetics brush, small eyeshadow. Okay, and then we're gonna get into the outer crease for this. Oh, I thought I got something on here. Yeah, that's really good. I like to take a good amount of the pigment to get it on the lid so it can actually show up. But that was a good amount that I picked up right there. I'm not gonna do any more than that because it can get really messy, and I really don't feel like cleaning up a big mess. And yeah, so we're gonna blend. We're gonna go get the Morphe brush that we used in the start, and we're gonna blend out the crease just to make sure that we got everything right looking up here. FX hydraliners, I really love these. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I use these in like a lot of my looks. Look at this fallout out of there. Eyelash extensions have a little color on them, like that's kind of cute. So we're gonna keep that looking how it looks, and then we'll probably do some mascara on the bottom lashes. BH Cosmetics brush, and it's just like a little straight brush that I use for eyeliner. And I'm gonna spray this because you have to activate this with water for it to work. Okay, and now we're gonna end this look just with some mascara on the end and on my bottom lashes. And this mascara is the Hourglass mascara. It's actually a mini. It's the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara that I got in a set at Sephora. Very nice. Some of that excess product around the eyes. Okay, you guys, so to end this look off, we have to do the lips. We cannot leave without the lips. And I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Suede in Club Hopper, and then I'm also going to be using the NYX Lingerie, and I think this is Natural Beauty Mark. This is Beauty Mark by NYX Lip Lingerie. Okay, so we're just gonna line the lips. love this lip combination together. It's so natural and cute. Setting spray, I like to use the NYX matte finish, and this is, I like to drench myself, and I've enjoyed this look because this is was just too cute, and it's springtime and I love colors, I love pigments, and I was super excited to just do a video for you guys today. So I hope you love this look. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you click the subscribe button and that you come back and see more videos, because there will be more. There's always more videos. So thank you guys for coming and watching this video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.